Creating and using flashcards is a strategy that many of us are comfortable and familiar with. That's because it's something that we've been doing since we were in elementary school. In many instances, this strategy still works very well for students in middle school or high school. First, decide when to use flashcards. They are great for memorizing vocabulary definitions, the dates of major events, or associating historical figures with a particular achievement. For example, if you have to remember who invented the telegraph machine versus who invented the telephone, this might be the best study strategy. This might not be a great strategy, though, for critical thinking questions when you have to analyze information. If unsure, ask your teacher if this would be a good study strategy. On one side of the card, write down the vocabulary term. On the opposite side of the card, write down the definition. The process of making cards may be long, but it's time well spent. As you are creating your cards, say the vocabulary terms and their definitions out loud as you write.
Aperture is an opening in the lens.
This helps to make a connection between the vocab word and the definition. Now practice saying the vocab term aloud.
How to use all the audio settings on our big cameras.
If you know the answer, say it.
How to use all the
If
audio
you're not
settings.
sure, flip the card over for the answer and read it aloud. After going through the deck a few times, you will notice that you can go a little quicker each time. You may also automatically think of the definition of the word the second you see the term on the front of the card. Next, create a pile of cards you know and a pile you don't know. Then, practice with the card pile you're struggling with until you memorize them.